हे राधे, अब तोहे खातिर कुछ भी।
वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दम् कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुम्।
O moon of Vrindavan, O Nitya Bihari, O lover of the gopis, my pranams to you.
O jewel of the Ranganath dynasty, Narayan Bhatt, you are none other than my dearmost devotee, Narad Muni. I have appeared before you on the banks of this Godavari river to instruct you about the purpose of your life. The forests, the kunjas, the groves, the sacred ponds of my past times in Brajabhumi are non-different than the limbs of my body and are always cherished by my dearmost devotees. But the curtain of time and the influence of Kali have now covered these places. The goal of your life is to discover and reinstate all these places. You shall especially find and reinstall the deities of Balram and Revati and the deities of Ladlila on the hills of Barsana.
O Lord, I am blessed to have your darshan. My Lord, in order to fulfill your desire, I am ready to travel thousands of miles from the banks of Godavari to the land of Braj. But, O Lord, how would I accomplish this insurmountable task?
O Narayan Bhatt, just travel to the land of Raj. Therein, I shall give you my darshan in the form of Madan Mohan and instruct you further. Be rest assured, upon reaching there, all of your questions shall be answered.
Thus being instructed by the Lord, Narayan Bhatta Goswami travelled to Vrajabhumi. Upon reaching there, he headed towards the Madan Mohan temple. But when he reached there, he saw that the doors of the altar were closed.
Oh Lord, your doors are closed. Oh Lord, from the banks of Godavari, you have got me here to your holy land of Vraj. You had only promised me that you shall give your darshan in the form of Madan Mohan and guide me further. Then why this delay, O Lord? Why this delay? Oh Madan Mohan, please be merciful and open the door. Please open the door, O Lord. Please open the door.
Who are you? And why are you disturbing the Lord? Don't behave in such a way. This is not the time for the Lord to give darshan.
What? What? This is not the time for the Lord to give darshan. Oh Lord, every moment is appearing like a millennium now. I can't wait any further to accomplish your mission. Without your darshan, who will guide me now? How will I find the lost places of your pastimes? Oh Lord, I do not know how will I accomplish the service you have entrusted me. Please tell me, how will I find your lost Braj? My Lord, how will I find your lost Braj? Bereft of your guidance, bereft of your service, what is the use of my life, O Lord? What is the use of my life? What is the use of my life?
Narayan Bhatt, oh Narayan Bhatt, your tears are penetrating my heart. What is the cause of your lamentation? See, I have kept my promise. Krishnadas, this is Narada, who on my instructions have appeared as Narayan Bhatt to reveal the lost places of Vrajabhumi. Accept him as your disciple. In a short time, he will be known to the world as the great Rajacharya. Rajacharya. Rajacharya.
In this way, the Lord guided Narayan Bhatt Goswami to his Guru, Krishna Das Brahmachari, who further guided him in his service. They both started residing in Uchagaon and spent their days in fulfilling the desire of the Lord. Narayan Bhatt Goswami rediscovered 333 holy places in Vrajabhumi, such as Kusum Sarovar, Govind Kund, Chandra Sarovar, Krishna's birthplace in Mathura, Manasi Ganga, Vamshi Vat, Nand Maharaj's residence in Mahavan, Brahmand Ghat, Fislan Pahadi, Chikan Shila, Sakhigiri, Lalita Janmasthan, and so on. Thus the glories of Narayan Bhatt Goswami spread in all the directions in such a way that soon it started resonating in the palace of the Mughal Emperor Akbar. Hearing about the extraordinary miraculous activities of Narayan Bhatt Goswami, the Badshah summoned him to appear in his royal darbar.
Badab, Ba Mulaiza, Hoshiar, Zille Ilahi, Hindustan-e Rustam, Mughal Siyasat Badshah, Shahenshah-e Hindustan, Jalaluddin Muhammad Akbar, दरबार में तशरीफ ला रहे हैं। होशियार।
ज़िल्ले इलाही, जान की आवाम हो तो कुछ अर्ज करूं। प्लीज अलाउ मी टू ग्रीट यू। जहां पना आसमान से चमकते चांद सितारों से जहां रोशन है, आसमान से चमकते चांद सितारों से जहां रोशन है, मुगलई सल्तनत की तख्त पर, मुगलई सल्तनत की तख्त पर आपके वीरता का तेज जगमग है, जगमग है, जगमग है। सुभान अल्लाह, सुभान अल्लाह, बहुत माशाअल्लाह, 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 सुभान अल्लाह।
Let the proceedings of the Darbar begin. Todermal, update me the status of the collection of taxes.
Badshah, as compared to last year, this year's tax collection is as follows. The land revenue Khiraj tax has increased by 55% to 10 lakh gold coins. The Jazia tax levied on Hindus has considerably increased by 60% to 4,30,000 gold coins. The Ghari and Chara taxes on houses and grazing of animals has increased steadily by 45% to 7,28,000 gold coins. The Zakat tax levied to Muslims has declined by 70% to 82,400 gold coins. This is due to Badshah Salamat's decision of levying lower taxes on Muslims. The pilgrim tax for Hindus has almost doubled to 5,30,000 gold coins. To conclude, the treasury of Badshah Salamat is growing strong day by day.
Huzur, as per your order, we have summoned that Hindu saint who is known for his miracles and astounding feats.
Alampana, people claim God speaks to him and even guides him in his mysterious expeditions.
Shahanshah, not just that, this saint gets mystical dreams which direct him to excavate holy places and stone idols.
Jahapana, gustaki maaf. But people have even started believing him to be the messenger of God.
पंडित जी को पेश किया जाए। Pandit ji, aren't you informed that in the Mughal Darbar, every head has to bow down in front of the Emperor of India, Shahanshah Hind?
Forgive me, O Badshah, but this head bows down only in front of the Emperor of the world, Lord Jagannath.
Ustad!
Saifuddin, let's not deviate. Pandit ji, I've heard that you perform many miracles and even make stone idols speak. Why don't you demonstrate some of your mysterious feats?
Who am I to perform any miracles? All miracles are performed by the Almighty. We are all like beggars in His darbar. We are all like puppets in His hand. He is the ultimate doer and He is the performer of all miracles. And He has only assigned us various roles and responsibilities. He made you sit on this throne, and being grateful, you should have protected and served the people, devoid of any pride.
Shahanshah, this Napak has once again insulted you.
Pandit ji, let's come back to the main point. Can you show me some miracles? Yes or no?
The miraculous activities of the Lord are to increase the love of His devotees and are not meant to become the cheap entertainment of an ordinary Badshah's darbar.
Tohin! 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 How dare you speak like this to our Badshah?
O saint, isn't it mentioned in your holy books that the king should be respected as the representative of the Almighty?
Certainly, the king is supposed to be seen as a representative of God. But how can we respect a king who imposes heavy pilgrim taxes and weighs devotion in gold coins? How can we respect a king who destroys the ancient culture of the land and allows the butchery of innocent men, women, children and cows? How can we respect a king who orders for the destruction of temples and the places of worship? How can such a king be considered as the representative of God? And how can this head bow down in front of such a king?
Birbal, Todarmal, what is this blasphemy coming upon the Mughal Sultanate?
जहांपना, मुआफी तलब करके हम कुछ अर्ज करने की इजाजत चाहेंगे. The truth is that there is increasing unrest amongst the Hindus due to the atrocities committed by the Mughals.
All right. Oh Saint, I'm impressed with your courage and devotion. Kindly tell me, what can the Mughal emperor do in order to please you?
O Badshah, I do not desire anything for myself. Still, if you desire to do something, then you may serve the Lord by building a temple for my Ishtadev, Shri Balram and Revati. Build steps for the excavated holy kunds and renovate all the broken temples.
O Saint, we will do as you desire. Todarmalji immediately arranged for the renovation of all the broken temples. Build steps to all the sacred Hindu ponds and execute everything that the saint desires. Todarmalji, hukum ki ta'meel ho.
In this way, Narayan Bhatta Goswami fearlessly encountered the Emperor of India, and by his divine intelligence even engaged Emperor Akbar in the service of the Lord. Narayan Bhatta Goswami constantly wandered through the 12 forests of Vrajamandal. He uncovered many lost deities and re-established their worship. He also revealed many of Radha Shyam Sundar's pastime places. One night, as he was sleeping, Srimati Radharani appeared in his dream.
Oh my dear Narayan Bhatt, please listen carefully to what I say. Go to Bhanugad at the Brahmachal Parvat in Barsana. Upon excavating the ground, you shall find me there along with my Lord and my eternal Sakhis Lalita and Vishakha. You should establish me on the same hill and start worshipping me in accordance with the scriptures.
Thus, receiving the instructions of Srimati Radharani, Narayan Bhatta Goswami gathered the Vrajavasis and headed for Barsana. Upon reaching the exact place described by Sri Radhika, Narayan Bhatta Goswami, along with the Vrajavasis, started excavating the ground. Soon they found the deities of the divine couple, along with Lalita and Vishakha. These deities were established on Bhanugad in Brahmachal and were lovingly named Shri Shri Ladli Lal. Being the darling of her parents, Kirtida and Vrishabhanu, Radharani was named as Ladli, and Krishna, being present in his in-laws' place, was lovingly and respectfully called as Lal.
Radhe Kishori Daya Karo, Shyama Ladli Kripa Karo, Daya Karo. दया करो, राधे लाडली कृपा करो, राधे किशोरी दया करो, हमके दीन न कोई जग में, पान दया की कनक धरो, राधे किशोरी दया करो, सदा घड़ी दीनन पे श्यामा, ये विश्वास जो मन करो, राधे किशोरी दया करो, श्यामा लाडली कृपा करो, दया करो, राधे दया करो, राधे लाडली कृपा करो, राधे किशोरी दया करो।
बोलो श्री लाडली लाल महाराज की जय। आप सबन को हमार बरसानों में स्वागत हो।
अरे कहाँ जा रहे हो भैया? ओए कहीं ना जा रहे हो भैया?
अरे ब्रज 84 कोस में
4 गांव निज धाम, वृंदावन गिरिराज जी,
बरसाना नंदगांव, राधे राधे।
जो रस बरस रयो बरसाने, सो रस 3 लोक में नाए।
जय हो, जय हो।
जो रस बरस रयो बरसाने, सो रस 3 लोक में नाए।
जो एक बार यहाँ पर आयो, उको फिर कुछ और न भायो।
अब मेरो दरबार में राधा रानी के दुख दर्द मिटाए जाते हैं। दुनिया के सताए लोग यहाँ सीने से लगाए जाते हैं।
राधे राधे, राधे राधे।
रोज नए पकवान बनाती, यशोदा मैया को खूब है भाती।
64 कला को एक साथ समाती, ऐसी हमारी राधा रानी।
राधे राधे राधे।
हे राधे, मैं नन्हा सा फूल हूँ, तेरे चरणों की धूल हूँ।
वाह लल्ला, क्या बात है।
उसके अद्भुत गुण हैं इतने, रात में टिमटिम तारे जितने। बहुत सुंदर, अति सयानी, ऐसी हमारी राधा रानी।
जय हो,
जय हो,
जय हो।
हे राधे राधे जय हो। राधा रानी को यो निज धाम है, और राधा रानी को यो निज धाम है। अरे प्यारो यो बरसानो धाम है। राधा रानी को यो निज धाम है, अरे प्यारो यो बरसानो धाम है। राधा रानी को यो निज धाम है, अरे प्यारो यो बरसानो धाम है। राधा रानी को यो निज धाम है, अरे प्यारो यो बरसानो धाम है। जो मन गड़की और कान्हा नचे जैसे मोर, हो गई भूल कहे माखन चोर। जो मन गड़की और कान्हा नचे जैसे मोर, हो गई भूल कहे माखन चोर। रूठी लाली को जहाँ रूठी लाली को मनाता शाम है, हर प्यारो यो बरसानो दाम है। रूठी लाली को मनाता शाम है, हर प्यारो यो बरसानो दाम है। राधा रानी को यो निज धाम है, हर प्यारो यो बरसानो धाम शंखरी खोर कर मांगता नंद किशोर, पकड़ा गया ना कर पाया शोर।
गोपिया जोड़ा शंखरी खोर कर मांगता नंद किशोर, पकड़ा गया ना कर पाया शोर।
लाला के हो लाली लाला के भेष को चुरात है, अरे प्यारो यो बरसानो दाम है।
लाली लाला के भेष को चुरात है, अरे प्यारो यो बरसानो दाम है।
ओ राधा रानी को यो निज धाम है, अरे प्यारो यो बरसानो दाम है।
राधा रानी को यो निज धाम है, अरे प्यारो यो बरसानो धाम है।
ओ राधा रानी को यो निज धाम है, अरे प्यारो यो बरसानो दाम है।
राधा रानी को यो निज धाम है, अरे प्यारो यो बरसानो धाम है।
आई रे होली आई रे होली आई, रंग बिरंगे रंग में रंगने आई रे होली आई।
होली आई,
ओ बंसी भैया तनी खबर लगा हो मेरे होली अरे रंग बिरंगे रंग में रंगने, अरे रंग बिरंगे रंग में रंगने, खेला ना होली सब आई सखिया। अरे लेके पिचकारी जब आए कन्हैया, क्या बात है। अरे लेके पिचकारी जब आए कन्हैया, मुर्गिल से हो गई सखिया। सखिया रे अरे प्यारा बरसाना, अब तो नजर ना आवे सखिया। सखिया सखिया प्यारी सखिया, नाच उठे सब गोप गोपिया, देख शाम संग कुंवर कन्हैया। अरे कुंवर कन्हैया कुंवर कन्हैया
कन्हैया कुंवर कन्हैया
कुंवर कन्हैया कुंवर कन्हैया, नाच उठे सब गोप गोपिया।
कुंवर कन्हैया नाच उठे सब गोप
गोपिया। अलबेली सरकार का दरबार है, प्यालो ये बरसाना नाम है।
अलबेली सरकार का दरबार है, प्यारो यो बरसाना नाम है।
हो राधा रानी को यो निज धाम है, हो राधा रानी को यो निज धाम है, अरे प्यारो यो बरसानो दाम है।
अरे भैयो आज तो बहुत ही आनंद आयो।
पूरो बरसानो गुंज उठियो राधा रानी के नाम ते।
But we don't know how long this bliss will last.
क्यों भैया ऐसो क्यों कह रहे हैं?
अभय को काल बहुत खराब चल रहा है। These are bad times.
There are constant attacks being done by the Yavanas on various temples throughout Bharatvarsha.
In fact, I have heard that all the principal deities of Vrindavan have been moved to Rajasthan under the protection of the Rajputs. क्यों बड़े गोसाई जी? Isn't it true?
It is my strong suggestion that we should send our dear Lado to Shivpur, the kingdom of Raja Kishori Das. He had said that whenever the need arises, he is willing to help us.
हाँ, हम लोग हुआ तो लाडो को आज ना आवेगी।
ठीक है।
We all agree to this.
Yes. But who will take our dear Lado to Shivpur?
भैया हमारे दिमाग में तो एक के नाम आवे है, नवल चंद्र गोसाई. Naval Chand Gosai ji can take Lado to Shivpur, and also he is the best person to serve and take care of her there.
But till our Lado is in Shivpur, who will grace the altar?
Yes, you are right. Who will grace the altar?
हमारे विचार से in place of Shri ji, विशाखा जी should grace the altar. मंदिर सुनो भी ना रहेगो और भक्त निराश भी ना होवेंगे.
बहुत ही अच्छा सुझाव है गोसाई जी।
राधे राधे।
राधे राधे।
Thus, to avoid any possibility of threat to Shriji Maharani, she was safely shifted to Shiopur in Rajasthan under the protection of the Rajput king Kishori Das. Here in Barsana, since 2 years, Vishakha ji was placed in the main altar in place of Shriji, and thus accepting the love and devotion of Barsana Vasis, Vishakha Devi had now become the Ladli of Barsana. Meanwhile, the ever-thirsty sword of the Yavanas, drenched in the blood of innumerable devotees residing throughout India, knocked on the doors of Barsana.
Gosai ji, we are trapped. We are trapped from all the 4 directions by the Yavanas. Thousands of soldiers have engulfed every nook and corner of Barsana. Even Kaivarvan and Uncha Gaon are not spared.
You all run for your life from the back door. We still have some time left until the Yavanas reach here.
No, Gosai ji. How can we leave you and Vishakha Ladli in the midst of such a dangerous situation?
Time is short. It is not possible to escape with Ladli ji. You all don't worry about my life. जब तक लाडली जी हमारे साथ हैं, हमारा बाल भी बाका नहीं होगा.
If that's true, then why are you telling us to flee?
Gosai ji, please don't deprive us of the blessed fortune of laying down our lives in the holy land of Barsana.
You are right, Gosai ji. We all have served together, and if Ladli ji wishes, we all shall die together.
All right then. Hey Vishakha Ladli, whether we live or die is of no concern to us. Our only concern is your service and the protection of your dham. हे विशाखे, लाल रंग के इस रंग में रंगने के लिए हम तैयार हैं।
तैयार है, तैयार है, तैयार है।
बोलो राधा रानी की जय। Nandlal ji, bolt all the doors tight and make sure no one enters this Garbhagruha.
Let us all form a human chain and protect the main entrance.
Indravanda vandite tiloka shokaharini. Prasanga vakra pankade nikunja bhuvilasini. Vajendra bhanu nandini vajendra sunu sangate. Kada kalishasi hava kripa kadaksha bhajana.
My dear devotees, do not worry at all. These Yavanas will not be able to do any harm. I, Vishakha, shall protect you all. Shall protect you all.
Suddenly, a miracle took place. Thousands of soldiers started appearing from the deity of Vishakha Ladli. This divine army of Vishakha Ladli was so chivalrous that it made the Yavana soldiers bite the dust. Not a single Yavana was spared, their bodies lying like the swarm of night flies, destroyed by the rising sun. It was such a defeat. It was such a defeat that no Yavana would ever even dream of causing any harm to the Shriji temple, even for generations to come. This enormous victory or Vijay resulted in the Brajavasis honoring Vishakha Devi with the title Vijay Ladli, and the lotus of Barsana continued to bloom under the loving protection of this Queen of Victory. Seeing the cactus-like thread posed by the Yavanas being uprooted and thrown away by the mercy of Vijay Ladli, in order to bring back Shriji Maharani, the residents of Barsana decided to travel to the kingdom of Shivpur, Rajasthan. Rajasthan, the land of the Rajputs, a warrior class famous for fearlessly carrying their lives on the edge of their swords in order to protect their pride, the culture of Bharat.
देह पर खाए 80 घाव, पर बढ़ते रहे जो आगे। राजपूतों के प्रताप से तीनों लोक है कापे। ना चांद की चाहत, ना तारों की फरमाइश, धर्म संस्कृति की रक्षा करूं, बस यही है इस किशोरी दास की ख्वाहिश।
खम्मा गणी राजा सा।
गणी खम्मा।
हुकुम, बरसानो सु कई लोग पधारिया है।
बरसाना सु? Bring them inside respectfully.
खम्मा गणी राजा सा।
गणी खम्मा।
राजा सा, we are blessed to meet you today.
Hukum, we are very grateful to you for allowing the worship of our Lado in your safe kingdom during such tough times.
No. Please do not embarrass me. It is my great fortune that I am able to serve Shriji Maharani in a small way.
Raja Sahab, how is our Lado? How is she? Please tell us.
Radharani is very happy here. I have constructed a grand temple for her right next to my palace. There, she is being worshipped by Shri Naval Chandra Goswami ji through Ashtayam Seva.
मारो बरसानो तो घनो सूनो पड़ गयो राजा सा। मानो जान बगर पूनम दी रात। Barsana is appearing like a colorless rainbow without our dearest Lado.
Life has stopped for us. Hukum, please return us our Shriji back.
Yes, Hukum, please.
Yes, Hukum.
Please
return our Shriji back. Please return our Shriji back.
आप हमसे हमारी जिंदगी मांग लेते तो हम आपको खुशी खुशी दे देते, पर आपने तो इस राजपूत का गुरूर ही मांग लिया है। And a Rajput can never part with his pride. You all being Brajavasis are very dear to Srimati Radharani. What I can do is to arrange a darshan of Ladli ji. Naval Chandra Goswami ji, please arrange a special darshan for all of them. And yes, never ever ask for my bride again.
नवल चंद्र गोसाई जी, राजा सा ऐसा क्यों कह रहा है? क्या हमारी लाडो हमारे पास बरसाने में कभी ना आवेगी?
Residing in Barsana without the queen of our hearts has become unbearable.
Will Barsana always be bereft of Ladli ji? Please do something, Gosai ji.
My dear Vrajvasis, I can understand the pain that you are going through. Not only humans, but every bird, every animal, every tree in Barsana must be longing to have our Ladli ji back. But remember, Raja Kishori Das has gone out of his way to protect our Ladli ji from the Yavanas. And what do you think? What else could have happened with the king? हमारी श्री राधिका तो है ही ऐसी प्यारी. Her merciful glance has completely captivated Rajasa's heart, and he cannot live without her. Certainly these are testing times. Hardest times often lead to the greatest moments in life. So never lose hope. Never lose hope, my dear Vrajvasis. Always remember, storms make people stronger, and they never last forever.
The residents of Barsana returned back with empty hands and heavy hearts, anticipating that there would be some plan to secretly take away Shriji Maharani from Shivpur. Raja Kishori Das ordered,
increase the security around the temple. Every night after the doors of the temple are locked, make sure I get the keys.
One night, as Naval Chandra Goswami was asleep, Radharani appeared to him.
बाबा, मुझे ले चल. Take me away from here. Take me to my home.
Oh Radhika, how do I take you away, breaching such security and locked doors? The keys are also with the king himself. अब तू ही बता, फिर भला मैं कैसे तुझे यहाँ से ले चलूं? इतनी दूर का मामला है. मैं बूढ़ा ढोकरा ठहरा, तुझे लेके कैसे भाग सकूंगा? How will this old man cover such a vast distance? Lado, you know what will happen? The royal soldiers will catch hold of me, beat me up and take you also away. अब तू ही कोई उपाय बता.
Baba, after putting me to rest at night, please unlatch the back window of the altar, lock the doors and hand over the keys to the king. At midnight, when all the guards fall asleep, you secretly enter my altar through the back window and take me away.
जागते रहो, जागते रहो, जागते रहो।
आवाज कैसी?
लगता है वहां पर कोई है। रुको रुको, मैं देख के आता हूँ।
ताला तो ठीक है, यहाँ पे तो कोई नहीं है।
अरे क्या हुआ क्या हुआ?
कुछ नहीं, ताला दरवाजा सब ठीक है।
छोड़ो, कोई जानवर होगा।
जागते रहो, जागते रहो।
फिर से आवाज आई वहां पे। अरे उस तरफ।
चलो 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 चलो
चलो चलो।
Naval Chandra Goswami did as instructed by Srimati Radharani, holding Shri Shri Ladli Lalji close to his heart. Naval Chandra Goswami ran throughout the night. He received such extraordinary powers that, in spite of being so old, he ran with such a speed that it appeared as if his feet were not even touching the ground. Early in the morning, noticing the absence of Naval Chandra Goswami, Raja Kishori Das sent his soldiers to call for him, only to realize that he had escaped with Shriji Maharani. Running throughout the night, Naval Chandra Goswami reached at the borders of the Chambal river at dawn. Realizing its Mangala time, he started worshipping Sri Radhika. The royal soldiers in search of Naval Chandra Goswami reached the banks of the Chambal river on the border of Shivpur.
Look! Look! There he is!
Oh Baba! How dare you escape with Shriji Maharani!
You have disobeyed the orders of the king, and now you shall pay with your life for this offense!
Stop! Stop right there! Don't try to run! You are trapped!
Hey Radhe! Hey Radhe! What will happen now? I had warned you right in the beginning, but you did not listen to me. Tu nahi maani. Now all these armed soldiers have come. They will arrest both of us. मैं बूढ़ा डोकरा ठहरा, मार भी नहीं झेल पाऊंगा. मैं तो मारा गया. राधे, मैं तो मारा गया. I'm finished.
बाबा तू घबरा नहीं, मैं तेरे साथ हूँ. Do not worry. Just pick me up, run and jump from the mountain cliff. Trust me, nothing will happen to your life.
हे राधे, अब तोहे खातिर कुछ भी.
बाबा मुझे ले चले.
Naval Chandra Gosai can take Lado to Shivpur.
Run and jump from the mountain.
Naval Chandra Goswami's life is not to be spared.
Baba, take me to my home.
क्या हमारी लाडो हमारे पास बरसाने में कभी ना आवेगी?
बाबा तू घबरा नहीं, मैं तेरे साथ हूँ.
अरे भाया, एक ऐसो चमत्कार हुयो. What kind of miracle is this?
In spite of jumping from such a high cliff, this old Baba is still alive.
Come on, we all should jump and get hold of him.
Are you crazy?
he was saved by the special mercy of Ladli ji. If we try to imitate him, instead of going down, we will go up.
Now, as it is, he is beyond the border of Shiopur, and there is no way we can get hold of him.
Come, let us inform the king about this marvelous leap of faith.
Such was the simple love and profound faith of the innocent Barsana Vasis towards Sri Radhika that, in order to reciprocate with their love, Shriji Maharani, the Queen of Barsana, became the Queen of Escape. Naval Chandra Goswami crossed over the borders of Shiopur unhurt and reached the land of Barsana, wherein Sri Sri Ladli Lalji were reinstalled in their divine home. And then
हो राधा रानी को यो निज धाम है, हो राधा रानी को यो निज धाम है, अरे प्यारो यो बरसाना धाम है।